my channel. If you're new here, please make sure y'all subscribe to my channel and also click the notification button. So today guys, I'm doing an unboxing on my first luxury item for 2020, and this is a handbag, and this handbag is, you know, black, and it's from MCM. So okay guys, so this is the box right here. Already open up the box. So here we go. Okay guys, so let me see what we got in here. Okay, so I got an envelope, and it's thank you, and it's the MCM logo right here. Nice envelope. Let me see what we got in there. Okay, so we have the tracking label and we have the receipt. Okay, all right, so now let's get on with this unboxing. Okay, so let's go. Let me open this up for you guys. And okay, so this is a bag that I want to wear, like, you know, if I want to go out and I really need a black bag. So I decided to purchase this bag, and I wanted a black bag for so long, something that I could wear every day. So I went on MCM website just to check out the price, and they actually got a sale, guys. They got a sale, so I picked up this bag, and I am in love with this bag. I'm telling you, like, let's get on with this unboxing. Okay. Ta-da. Ooh. Voila. Okay, so this is my MCM bag, guys, and it's in black and tan. This color is tan or dark brown, I believe. Okay, so as you see, this is a new bag. I just bought this bag. So let me put the box down. Okay, so this is a medium-sized bag, guys, and let me tell you the name. Tag is in here somewhere. Okay, so here you go, guys, and this is the bag tag, and I will have the link with the name of the bag and the pricing. So inside here they stuffed it, so let me take that out. And we got some stuffing in here also. So this bag is pretty big, guys, and this is a large, I believe. No, this is a medium size. They got 3 sizes of this. They got the small, medium, and large. So I decided to pick up the medium size, and this is in leather. It's leather canvas, and it also got a zipper right here. Inside the bag you got a zipper, and you got 3 pockets, and you also got 1 pocket right here in front. Guys, I really love this bag, and I was actually surprised because I really like the quality of this bag. I believe this is a better quality than the Louis Vuitton canvas, because this is much more sturdy, and it's actually firm, you know. So yes guys, so that's my bag, my MCM. Okay guys, so yes, this is my Ania, that's the name of the bag, the Ania shopper bag. And as you see, it got the MCM logo prints on the bag, and this is in the size medium. So I really buy this bag to like to wear to work, or if I'm going out like on the mall or something, I will just grab this bag, you know, drop a few stuff in there and carry on. So I really love this bag, and the quality of the leather is so freaking good. Like I really like it. So okay, so that's my MCM shopper, Ania shopper bag, and it's in the size medium in the black and brown color. Okay, so next up, I also picked up a wallet from MCM also because I needed a new wallet. So I picked up this wallet because I wanted to pair with the bag. So here we go. Okay, as you see, we got the, you know, the authenticity card in here. We got the tags and everything. So here is the wallet. Let me take this out the box for you guys. I really like this, like it's so luxurious. Okay, so this is my wallet guys, and this is in the size large. Okay, so let me open this up. As you see, it got the silver zipper, and the bag got the silver hardware also right here, and a little thing right here. Okay, so let me open up the purse for you. This is a pretty nice size purse. In here, let me take all these papers out. You got a zipper inside, so you could store your money here, and here's the card slot, and you could also put your cards in this side also. So that is my wallet to pair with the bag. You just put a few stuff in there and drop your wallet inside like that, and you could just go about your day with your end bag looking all cute and stuff. Okay, so I really bought this bag for, like, you know, everyday use, because I really wanted a black bag because I always get different colored bags. So that's my MCM Ania shopper pair with the wallet. Okay, so if you want to see more reviews and stuff that I got, make sure you're subscribed. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification button, lovelies. So I will catch you in the next one. Bye bye.